It can be really frustrating if you want to play your PlayStation 5 and you run into an error code. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 error code that reads NW-102417-5. I'm going to show you a few different things to try to help you get your PlayStation 5 back up and running again. The first method is the easiest one to try, and that's to unplug the PlayStation from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds, then plug it back in. If your PlayStation is working again, great. If not, let's go ahead and move on to the next method. Find your router or modem that is giving you Wi-Fi and unplug that for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. You have to wait a few minutes for it to connect and get back online, but when it does, check your PlayStation then and see if it works. If it doesn't, let's go ahead and move on to this next method. We are going to do a reset of your PlayStation 5, which means that you'll have to log back in with all of your credentials afterwards, but it'll be an important troubleshooting method. Press and hold the power button on your console and wait until you hear 2 beeps, then release it. Next, connect your PlayStation 5 controller using the USB cable. Then press the PlayStation button that's in the middle of the controller. You will get a menu that'll pop up and you'll want to go to option number 6, which says Reset PS5. Hopefully, this fixed your problem. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.